Not every TikTok niche is suitable for a faceless TikTok account. If you are interested to learn which are the most profitable and the best faceless TikTok niche, then make sure that you watch today's video because I'll be sharing the 7 best viral faceless TikTok niches for 2024. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May, and on this channel I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create a massive online income. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. Sometimes I feel that a faceless TikTok account is quite difficult to be successful because you can't build a deeper connection with the audience by just using videos that is without a face. Guys, this is already a myth because there are so many TikTok faceless accounts that has blown up and they are faceless TikTok accounts. So these successful faceless TikTok accounts have proven me wrong. I took one whole week to analyze faceless TikTok accounts, and today I will be sharing with you the 7 best TikTok faceless niches that you can start, and you will be able to start monetizing that TikTok account without showing your face. The first segment of today's video, I'll be showing you the 7 best niches for faceless TikTok account. The second last of today's video, I will be sharing with you what are the top 3 secrets for a successful faceless TikTok account. So make sure that you stay till the end of today's video. The very first TikTok niche is the health and nutrition niche. This is an evergreen TikTok niche because there are a lot of information that the audience are craving. So irregardless if you are doing a faceless or non-faceless TikTok account, you'll find success in these niches. There are also many ways that you can make money from these 2 niches, which are the health and the nutrition. If you're a business seller that you are selling nutritional products or health products, then this niche is for you, and it is good that you grow your business on TikTok. And of course, it is also very good if you do not have any products but you just want to earn some affiliate commission. You can join the TikTok Shop affiliate program whereby you can purely promote health and nutrition products. This is one very good example TikTok account that is completely faceless, and it is called the healthhub.bz. As you can see, the videos are all AI generated videos. This faceless TikTok account is purely promoting health products, and they are selling moringa powder. Every TikTok video on their account are mostly viral. As you can see, the views are insane, 18.5k, 11.4k views, purely faceless without showing any face. Another great example that I shared in my previous video is this Stella Health TikTok account, whereby it's earning about $900 per day just by posting AI generated videos. And this account is also purely selling health supplements. They are promoting this health supplement on their TikTok shop. Their video views are also insane. Every single video of theirs are all viral videos. Next, we have positive mindset, motivation or inspirational stories. There is a rise in the popularity of this niche recently, probably due to the mental health issues that many people are facing nowadays. Here is an example faceless TikTok account for this niche. This TikTok account showcases daily inspiration, and all their TikTok posts has only voiceover, which are actually AI generated on footages which are very captivating.
Your mother is the most precious thing in the world. It is said that the bond between a mother and her child is unlike any other.
The main source of income for this faceless TikTok account is by selling their books. This account has 1 million followers, and their views are also incredible. They have a lot of viral videos as well, even though their account are totally faceless. Here is another faceless account which is based on motivational and inspirational stories. This is not exactly faceless, but they are not using the actual human face. In fact, they are using AI generated faces. However, these AI generated faces are very human-like, and this will be able to build a deeper connection with audience because of their realistic looking AI generated human.
These are 6 little stories with big meanings. Once all villagers decided to pray for rain. On the day of prayer, all the people gathered, but only one boy came with an umbrella. That is faith.
The third faceless TikTok niche is the home interiors. If you're into interior design or home furnishing, then this niche is suitable for you because this is a very good faceless TikTok niche, as you do not need to feature your face and you can totally do a faceless TikTok account for this niche because you need to showcase the beauty of the home interior designs. Here is a sample TikTok account which is totally faceless, and they are doing mostly on luxury homes, their renovation projects, as well as cool home techs. One thing I noticed about this account is also they feature a lot of behind the scenes of renovation, so it is not necessary to show face. Instead, you can just show behind the scenes what are the contractors doing. The fourth faceless TikTok niche is very similar to the previous one, and sometimes it might be also can be incorporated into the home interiors, which is the home improvement or the home organization niche. So this TikTok niche is not really about the interior designs. It is more about the usage of devices or tools to help you to have a better home. Here is an example of a TikTok account which is totally faceless, and this account focuses on organizational tips as well as space savings tips around your home. This type of TikTok faceless niche is very good if you are promoting TikTok Shop products, because as we can see on TikTok Shop, there are many kitchen items as well as home organizational items that are very sellable, very popular on TikTok Shop. And I personally are selling some of the kitchen products as well as organizational products which are really very sellable, and you are able to get commission out of this. For this shop style degree, they are promoting their own products because they do have their own TikTok shop and they are not the TikTok Shop affiliate. So there are two ways to make money from this niche, and that is to promote your own products if you have home improvement products, or you can also promote via TikTok Shop affiliate program. If you want to learn more about how you can join TikTok Shop affiliate program, I will leave a link down in the description box below as well as up in the cards. The next faceless TikTok niche is the pet niches. Any pets is fine. You can do dogs, cats or birds or even hamster. Any type of pets works on TikTok, and totally faceless. You are not showing your human face, you are showing the animal's face. So technically it is still a faceless TikTok account. There are also many ways to monetize on pet niches. One of the more popular one is you grow the audience of animal lovers and you can promote pet merchandise. Some of the example merchandise are the pet accessories or the pet lovers merchandise like hoodies, t-shirts and bags. The next faceless TikTok niche is the travel niche. For travel niche, it is very easy for you to go faceless because viewers only want to see the beautiful scenery, the captivating scenery. So it is okay that you do not show your face on your TikTok videos. One of the more popular way to monetize on a travel niche is by being a travel influencer, whereby you'll get paid sponsorship by brands, hotels, and also flights. For this sample account, I see that this account is monetizing on product, which is a supplement. The next best faceless TikTok niche for 2024 is the life hacks niche. This life hack niche is also very easy for you to go faceless because we want to educate the audience through life hacks, whereby we can educate the audience of the specific life hacks using information and details as well as the product demonstration. Most of the times these hacks are able to capture the attention of the audience because these are the hacks that most of us do not know and we should have known earlier. What makes these life hacks niche so good is because of what I'm going to tell you in my next segment, which is the 3 secrets for a successful faceless TikTok account. So as I was saying about these life hacks, why is it so good is because these contents actually give a lot of value to our everyday life. It will help us in our day-to-day life. It is also quite thought thought-provoking because there are so many things that we never thought of, and we never know that these hacks are actually very life-changing. So in order for you to have a successful Faceless TikTok account, firstly, you need to give value, or the content is entertaining or thought-provoking. As we have seen so many sample TikTok accounts which are faceless and which are very successful in my first segment, one thing I can conclude is that you need to stick to one niche. So this is a secret that many people did not know about, or they know but it's very hard for them to really stick to one niche. So guys, no matter what, you just stick to one of these 7 niches and you will do fine for your Faceless TikTok account. In any case, if you want to change niche, you can always set up a separate TikTok account for that specific niche. And finally, the third secret to a successful Faceless TikTok account is to only choose captivating images or footages every single time you create the content. This is because you want to use intriguing images or footages to capture people's attention. This is what I call hook. So hook can be a form of words. It can also be a form of visual, which is the video or the footage that we choose to use, especially for the first 3 seconds of your video. I hope today's video is able to inspire those of you who are too shy to face a camera, or for whatever reason you don't want to show your face, because if you want to start to monetize your TikTok account, it is very possible for you to start a TikTok account without showing your face. That's all for my video today. If you have any questions, do leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.